Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Gemsofknowledge. So today I am here with a new concept, that is this year's Sslc science blueprint and the passing package. Okay, so continuously I will be providing you the videos regarding the passing package of this year, that is 2025. Okay, so before providing the passing package, we should know what is the blueprint of this year. Okay, so this blueprint is provided by the board itself. Okay, so before starting my video, make sure to subscribe to my channel and click on the bell button to get the notification to the earliest. Okay, so we shall see the passing package over here. That is the first we will see the blueprint, then we will go to the passing package. Okay, so firstly, here they have given the marks allotted by themes. Okay, so there are 5 themes, as you can see here. Okay, there are 5 themes, and regarding to this themes, the blueprint is set into the particular marks. Okay, so here first theme is substance in everyday life. Okay, so in that 4 chapters are included, the substance which we use in our everyday lives. Okay, first chapter is chemical reaction and equation, acid bases and salts, metals and non-metals, and carbon and its compounds. So these 4 chapters are based on this theme, that is substance in everyday life. And from the board only they said that for all these 4 chapters it includes 25 marks. So you have noticed that board has released 2 model paper. So depending upon that model paper, I have differentiated the chapters into different marks. Okay, so the chemical reactions and equations are of 5 marks, acid bases and salt is of 6 marks, metals and non-metals is of 7 marks, and carbon and its compound is of 7 marks. So if you count all this, that is of 25 marks. Okay, so here it may be varies. Okay, if this is for 7 marks, this may be for 6 marks, or this chapter may be for 6 marks, then this here it will be reduced, like 1 or 2 marks difference. Okay, then comes the living world. Here comes the biology part. Okay, so the life process, control and coordination, how do organisms reproduce, and heredity. These 4 chapters are included from the biological part. Okay, and each chapter here comes for 7 marks, and this heredity is for 4 marks. 4 or 5 marks. If this is for 5 marks, this will reduce and this will become for 6 marks. Okay, then these 2 chapters are for 7 each marks. So here also the total is 25 marks. Okay, next for the third case, here comes natural phenomena, which includes physics. Here light reflection and refraction 8 marks, and human eye and the colorful world is of 5 marks. Together it is 13 marks. Okay, next, how do things works? So here the electricity part and magnetism comes. So here electricity and magnetic effect of electric current. Electricity carries the highest marks of 8 marks, and magnetic effect of electric current is of 6 marks. Together it is 14 marks. Okay, and the last one is natural resources. This also comes under the biological part. Okay, the chapter is included in biology. Our environment, it is only of 3 marks. Okay, our environment, it comes only for 3 marks. Next, just you can see marks allotted to each sections, like physics, chemistry, biology. Okay, so for physics it is of 27 marks. So you can see here for physics they have given these natural phenomena and how things work, light reflection, human eye, electricity, and magnetic effect. So all these 4 chapters comes for 27 marks. You can count here, 13 plus 14 is nothing but 27. So these parts is physics, 27. Next comes chemistry. Chemistry is of 25 marks. So you can see chemistry over here. This 4 chapters, that is chemical reaction, acid bases, metals and non-metals, and carbon and its compound, it carries 25 marks. Okay, then part C, biology, it is of 28 marks. But you can see here the life process, control coordination, how do organisms reproduce, and heredity, it comes for 25 marks. Okay, but as I told you, the last part, that is our environment, is of 3 marks. Okay, so here 25 plus this 3, together it is 28 marks. Okay, so the total paper will be like this, totally of 80 marks. Okay, I hope these sections are cleared. Now we will go to the type of questions. Okay. Okay, next moving to the marks allotted to the type of question. So you can see you will get this many type of question, that is first one multiple choice, very short answer, long answer, long answer, long answer and long answer. Three type of long answer. I'll tell you what is this. Now just see multiple choice questions. How many questions you will get together? Physics, chemistry and biology together you will get 8 multiple choice, that is of 1 marks. So 8 ones are 8. So total marks for the multiple choice will be 8. Very short answer, 1 mark answer. That is, 1 mark answer will be 8 and together it will be 8 marks. Short answers, it means 2 marks answer. 2 marks answers will be 8 and it carries totally of 16 marks. Then 3 marks questions are 9 and it will carries together 27 marks. 4 marks 4 questions will be there, that is 16 marks, and 5 marks 1 question you will get, that is of 5 marks. So all this together you will be having 80 marks paper. Okay, so I hope you are clear with the blueprint. Now let us see the passing package regarding this. Okay, so here you can see the science passing package for this year, that is 2025. Okay, so this passing package is completely dependent on the model paper. So you can expect the same type of questions. We cannot tell you what type of exact questions will be arising, but to the somehow we can say the questions may appear from this part of the uh, syllabus. Okay, so here you can see we are expecting diagrams and symbols for total of 12 marks. Next is HOTS related to diagrams. HOTS is higher order thinking skills. Okay, so this is related to diagrams. So related to diagram means one of the diagram will be asked into the question paper and either they will ask you the function of that part or the naming of that particular diagram or any question which is applicable to that particular diagram. It carries for 4 marks. Okay, so the totally it is of 16 marks. Then comes properties, users, functions, those type of questions. It may carry you 5 marks. In all the three sections like physics, chemistry and biology, where all the functions can be asked, the users can be asked and the properties may also ask. So the totally it will be of 5 marks. Then give reasons or justify the given statement. Those type of questions will be of 3 marks. A basic estimation I have taken, it will be for more marks also, it can be for less marks also. So including all the three like physics, chemistry and biology, it may take for 3 marks. Okay, then comes physical laws. Okay, then where it is used, that particular law where it is used or where it is applicable, and its mathematical form, if the mathematical form is present. Suppose the Ohm's law, Joule's law, there is mathematical form. Okay, so they may ask you that type of question also. So that we will expect it will come for 2 marks. Okay, then the checkerboard or we can say Punnett squares, monohybrid cross and dihybrid cross from the hereditary chapter, we can expect it for a good 3 marks question. Okay, then comes eye defects. What are the causes for that eye defect and how you can correct it? So this type of question may also appear for 3 marks. Then comes balancing chemical equation. So this chemical equation balancing may be of 3 marks. I have expected only of 2 marks. It may come for 3 marks or it may come for more marks also. Okay, so this I have expected here 2 marks. Then numerical problems from electricity and light chapter, it is also of 4 marks. It may be for more marks, but for now the passing package I have expected only of 4 marks. Then the questions regarding the fuse, overloading, short circuit, then the three types of wire, neutral wire, live wire, earthing. So about all these type of questions will be 3 marks. Okay, then molecular formula, structural formula and electron dot structure from carbon and its compounds. We are having 3 type of compounds, alkanes, alkenes, alkynes, then the functional group. So all those we can expect are good for 3 marks. 3 structures we can expect. Okay, or else they may ask you about the structural isomerism regarding to that, why the two structures are similar or why there is the difference between the two structures. So these type questions you may expect for 3 marks, totally of 3 marks. Okay, next comes difference between. So difference between any two things, it may be in physics also, chemistry also, and biology also. So they may ask you the difference between any two. Okay, so that is also of 3 marks. Then the questions related to hormones, plant hormones and the animal hormone, okay, human hormones. So all those conditions they may ask you for 3 marks. Then formula, we should know all the formulas. They may ask you direct any formula, or they may ask you in the form of law, they may ask you in the form of numerical problem. Okay, so we should know, at least we will consider this for 1 marks. Okay, because if you are not able to solve the numerical problems also, if you just substitute a proper formula to that, then you are able to get 1 mark. Okay, so that is the formula. Then the experiments, procedures, mechanisms, activities. So all the experiments, whatever the chemical experiments are there, those experiments, procedures comes under the physics. Okay, then all these mechanisms and all comes under the action mechanism of cleansing action of soap, like those things. Or any activity, they may suggest you a picture and they may ask you which activity is going on and what is the conclusion or what is the result of that activity. So this type of question you may expect for 3 marks. Then formation of NaCl and MgCl2. Okay, ionic bond formation between these two, that is also of 3 marks. Then from our environment, they said the questions may arise only of 3 marks. So either you may get 1 mark 3 questions, or 1 mark 1 question and 2 mark 1 question, or directly a 3 mark question. If you are expecting directly a 3 mark question, then you may get about ozone layer, anything related to ozone layer, or how it is caused, how it is depleted, what are the chemicals used for the depletion. Okay, this type of question. And if it is asked for 1 mark, they may ask you regarding the tropic levels. Okay, or they may ask you about food chain, food web, 1 marks or 2 marks. You can expect this type of questions. Or the biodegradable waste, about that, biodegradable and non biodegradable waste. Okay, so all these you may expect for 3 marks. So that's what I have planned. This is the passing package, and if you are well thorough with all these things, you may expect a good 60 marks in your science paper out of 80 marks. Okay, there is no doubts regarding this passing package. So in my upcoming videos, I will surely try to give you the questions regarding these type of questions whatever I have suggested here, and I'll give you the solution for that also. Okay, so till then, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also click on the bell button to get the notification as soon as I upload any video. Okay, I'll be back with another video. So till then, stay tuned and stay connected. Thank you.